Yo, what's up? So, we're back with another meat cannon story, and this is called Pink Lovable Dog, Courage the Cowardly Dog version, or Prodigy, whatever. So, if you guys want to check out the original video, it's in the description down below. Check out meat cannon. Let's go.
Oh, Courage, I think I've got a fever. Don't worry, Mariel. I'll save you. Stupid dog. You think you can just keep scaring this
Wait, this...
little pup over and over again, don't you? Well, you always... No, I don't think so. I've taken this abuse for far too long, old man. And now, I think it's time I do something about it. What are you doing, you stupid dog? You always let her get in trouble. And I have to clean up the mess.
To be honest, Courage is not wrong. He's basically been dealing with Eustace being mean to him his whole entire life. I'm surprised he didn't do this during the show.
Single time. You can't take care of her. Only I can. Well, what are you gonna do to me? The things I do for love. Eustace, have you seen Courage? I feel like it's been forever since I've seen him. He's right next to me, Mariel. Where he's always been. Stupid dog.
I didn't... Oh my god. Okay, first off, why was Nero like a liver? Like, what? I mean, I'm not gonna lie, this project makes sense, but at the same time, I thought he was gonna like kick him out or something, or once I saw the knife, I knew something bad was gonna happen. I'm telling you, me cannon, y'all doing y'all thing out here. Get to that million quick. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Links to the description down below.